Hello everybody, welcome to this video. This video we're going to take a look on how we can check the various Python packages on our system and how to install them. So just go to command prompt. Now we're going to check pip. Let's just type here pip. You see we have the various packages of pip. And another one again, we'll just type here, let's type pip list. You see we have all the various packages of pip list. These are them, everything, and how to install any package. Like, for example, we want to install I already installed wheel. Want to install, your type pip install wheel. Default user paper requirement already satisfied wheel in drive C, so already installed it. Now let me uninstall it. I'll just type here pip uninstall. Uninstall wheel. So they'll ask you this question, you have to type yes or no, why or no. That is it. I'll type here why, and I'll press enter. You see process why or no successfully uninstall with. So that's how you uninstall packages on your computer. Now if you really want to install it again, I'll just type pip sometime, let's see, install with. Sometimes maybe it may require us to restart our system, but let's just try before to use that, because normally set package is not you see now it's you see successfully installed. So if we can type here pip list again and see, you see we have our wheel here, wheel. So that is how you can install packages from your command line and uninstall it again. If you like a Python, you can just type Python uninstall. You just type here, if it's a Python, you just type Python uninstall and whatsoever you want to do. So that's how you do it. So thank you guys for watching, and love and share this video, and please do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.